Minnie Mouse Jeep. So see, all of these go only left or right. But I got an up and down and left and right, like a regular Jeep. Hi guys, welcome to Aubrey's Wacky Princess videos, and this is like a new thing, like when I do videos. So let's start opening, and let me ask my assistant for help. Now let's start opening. And then a box that's in here. Now let's start taking it out. This is the control that it is. So if you go up and you push this button, it goes full speed. But I don't know how this can open. I need a battery. And it also has a little mirror for it to do. And dolls can also go in here. So if your doll is very tall, you could do this. And if your doll is really tiny small, you can do that. And then you can put groceries in here. Or like the control. So now I'm going to teach you everything that's from this Jeep. These are the pink wings. I don't know if I can be eating on that video. This is the top. And this is the bumper where it bumps into stuff. These are the wheels. These are the stuff. And if you want to know how to open them, you just do the end of the chairs, then push them in. That's how stuff works for the seats. So, and these are the extra wheels. There's not actually extra wheels in here. And this is the controller. This is left, right, forward, backward. This is the turbo boost. It goes super fast. The controller needs 2 AA batteries and the Jeep needs 4 AA batteries. So this is the Barbie that's going to drive it. But the seats are way too big. See? So I'm going to teach you how to fix it. So get these and put it up a little bit. And if you make a mistake, just press these seats down. Like I did right now. Okay, I'm still gonna do stuff like that. Then now the Barbie can fit. And her hair can also fly. So now she could drive and have fun. Now we're gonna put the batteries in and drive the car. Forward and backward. And this is the turbo speed. Questions or answers to the questions I'm going to say on my last video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.